As an American and Nigerian citizen, sometimes it's difficult to explain where you're actually from. But when I really think about where I'm from, my family, my ancestors, my bloodline, my history, my name, I think about Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria. I think about Ibibio culture. I think about being home. Bright red KKs puttering throughout Ibom Plaza, linking up with my cousins and chopping it up over suya and champion beer. The people, the sounds, the language, the sounds of pidgin being spoken, familiar, not foreign. Visiting the Ibibio Museum and making a couple new friends, and learning about the richness of Ibibio culture, the visionaries and pioneers that designed arguably the most beautiful state in all of Nigeria. Leaving the main city and going back to my village where it all began, where I trace my roots. Think about home, my village, Ikorodoisan, one of the only places on this earth that my heart is full and at peace. Where I can live, breathe, and feel the beauty of my culture, our culture. Experiencing the traditional dances in the village. And then off to kick it with my family at a bundle beach. Being immersed in Ibibio culture through my own nomadic curiosity, my people, my food, music, and culture is how I recharge my spirit, my creativity, my blackness. It's how I reconnect with who I am, where I'm from, my purpose and mission to reconnect Africans of the diaspora all over the world. That's my culture.